Hi all, a very happy Women's Day to all my colleagues at the Cement Manufacturers Association and our colleagues at the cement industry. Rights, equality, empowerment is the theme for the Women's Day this year. It's a reminder of the long journey that we have treaded and of the opportunities which have been created for women by our industry. These are not mere aspirations. Today, women are at the forefront and holding command positions in the cement industry. Women are being placed center stage by the Indian cement industry. We see them not just in traditional roles, but we see them at plants, at mines with technology, and of course, some of them even driving trucks. And this itself is a huge result and a contribution of the Indian cement industry working every day and each day to ensure gender diversity and gender inclusivity. So let's celebrate ourselves and also ensure that we become brand ambassadors for other women to come in and join the Indian cement industry to take it to even greater heights. Wish you all a very happy Women's Day once again.
We drive. Awesome. We thrive. Fantastic.
We are equal.
Cannot be better. We lead. Wonderful.
We build.
Awesome. We create. Wonderful. We innovate. Fantastic.
We shine.
Awesome.
We are equal.
Wow.
We strive.
Wonderful. Empowered women of cement.
We rise, we thrive, we build. We are the empowered women of cement.
Together, we shape the future of cement.
We are the foundation of progress.
Proud to build a stronger India.
Shouldering responsibility with strength and pride.
We break barriers and build futures.
Cementing change, one step at a time.
We are the empowered women of cement.
We rise, we thrive, we build.
We are the empowered women of cement.
We break barriers and build futures.
Proud to build a stronger India.
Empowered women to build strong industries.
Proud to be a part of the Indian cement industry.
We are equal. Proud to be a part of the Indian cement industry.
We break barriers and build futures.
Cementing change, one step at a time.
Shouldering responsibility with strength and pride.
Proud to build a stronger India.
We have equal rights.
Together, we shape the future of cement.
Empowered women building empowered communities.
We are the foundation of progress.
Empowered women to build stronger industries.
We lead, innovate, and inspire.
We are the backbone of progress, breaking barriers,
Building a future where women live
In every facet of the industry. Happy Women's Day. Together we shape the future of cement.
We rise, we thrive, we build.
We rise, we thrive, we build. We are equal.
We are shouldering the responsibility for developing our nation and developing India.
Women are creating change one step at a time by challenging norms and breaking barriers.
Hi, we break the barriers and build the future. Proud to build a stronger India. As a woman, we are not survivors, we are warriors, paving the way for those who will follow.
Happy International Women's Day.
On this International Women's Day, let's celebrate the strength, diversity of women and promote women's rights and empowerment.
On this Women's Day, let us not only celebrate the achievements of women but also accelerate the action towards gender equality. It's time to break challenges, barriers and stereotypes. We lead, innovate and inspire.
Proud to be a part of the Indian cement, shouldering responsibility with strength and pride. Proud to be a part of Indian cement industry. Happy Women's Day.
Cementing change, one step at a time.
We are the empowered women of cement.
Hi everyone, we are 50% of the human race and we want similar representation in our men-dominated cement industry. We are strong, powerful, happy women of cement industry and we aim to increase that strength many times more.
Women usually face barriers such as discrimination, stereotypes, unequal pay, and the challenges of balancing work and family. However, women are now breaking these barriers and they are rising and shining in every field, be it politics, sports, science, legal, etc. which is eventually shaping the future by creating a more equitable and inclusive world.
Empowered women build empowered communities. Empowered women don't just lead, they uplift, they inspire and create lasting change. When women rise, communities flourish.
We are equal as women, strong, independent and capable.
We are empowered women of cement.
Together, we will continue to rise, to break boundaries, and to create a world where dreams can be realized, and where equality for all will no longer be a goal but a truth.
We are the empowered women of cement.
We have equal rights.
We are the foundation of progress.
Empowered women to build stronger industries.
Proud to build stronger India.
Empowered women building empowered communities.
Together, we make the future of cement.
We rise, we thrive, we build. We are the foundation of progress.
We are empowered women of cement.
We lead, innovate and inspire.
Strong women, strong world.
We lead, innovate and inspire.
We break barriers and build futures.
We are equal, shouldering responsibility for building India.
We are the empowered women of cement.
We rise, we thrive, we build.
We have equal rights,
Shouldering the responsibility of building India.
We, the KCPers, proudly led by two dynamic women in Indian industry,
Are driven to inspire,
empower women
to break barriers,
seamlessly balance family and work,
and build lasting connections
with the organization. Happy Women's Day!
Cementing change, one step at a time.
We break barriers and build futures. Together, we shape the future of cement.
We lead, innovate and inspire.
MBA professional serving the cement industry for the past 1 year. It is a very short span, but now I'm proud to be one of the empowered women in this industry, serving the marketing and branding department. Wishing all the women in this world a very happy Women's Day.
See you all happy with exhibitions.
I am one of the empowered women of Amrit Cement Limited. We are the foundation of progress, shouldering every responsibility with strength and pride.
We are the wonder women of Amrit Cement Limited. We rise, we thrive, we build. Together, we build dreams and drive equality. Thank you and happy Women's Day. Proud to be a part of Indian cement industry. Empowered women building empowered communities.
We are proud to be a part of the Indian cement industry, shouldering responsibility with strength and pride. Together, we break barriers and build futures.
We are the empowered women of Indian cement industry, a segment that forms the backbone for our nation's growth. From building the world-class infrastructure to rural and urban development, women play a crucial role in shaping India's future.
First of all, we wish you Happy International Women's Day. We are equal and together we shape the future of cement. Thank you.
To shape the future of cement industry. Thank you.
We are the empowered women of cement industry. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies.